everybody. I'm so glad to see you here today, and I hope that you are inspired by the prompt/challenge for the Art and Soul Facebook group, which is a weekly Wednesday prompt/challenge, and I can't wait to see what you create. So this prompt is for anyone that has a bunch of jelly prints hanging around, because usually when you do jelly printing, you do make a lot of prints in one printing session. Like I made like 20 to 25 prints in one printing session. So you end up with so many prints. And for anybody that has any jelly prints hanging around, my challenge to you, it's not really a challenge, but the prompt is to go through your jelly prints and see what piques your imagination, what catches your attention. Like there I see a face, I kind of see a face, and also in this one, the turquoise, I kind of see I see a face and neck and shoulders. So that's what I'm gonna draw now onto my jelly print. So that would be the prompt, it's just for people that have jelly prints hanging around, and to see what catches your attention and what you might want to draw into a jelly print. I start the picture with soft chalk pastels because they are erasable. And on this particular print, pencil I don't think would show up that well, and it might not be so easy to erase, but the chalk pastels are pretty easy to erase. So I just draw a simple face. And now I'm just going to trace over the face that I drew with Sharpie marker. And then after that, I'll be coloring it in with soft chalk pastels. So for the rest of this video, I'm just going to put it to music. And for those people that want to participate in this prompt/challenge, I look forward to seeing what you create and what you post in the group. And that is the Art and Soul Studio Facebook group. Anybody who's watching this and not a member of it, we're always welcoming new members, and the link is down below in the description box. Okay, so for the rest of the video, I am going to set this to music, and thank you so much for watching.
sur la table.